Today I'm going to use the Mucar software to check the correct mileage for the car. So if we click on Mucar to open the software, the next thing we need to do is to click on All Systems Diagnostics, and we will be presented with this page. Once you're on this page, if you haven't already, you need to download the software for your vehicle manufacturer, and then you'll be able to use that to diagnose any vehicle in the manufacturer's range. But I'm going to use the demo version to show you how to do this. So we will click on demo, and again I'm going to click on forward. Now once you're on this screen, you've got three options: a health report, system scan or system selection. A health report will scan through and read any fault codes that the vehicle may have, but I'm going to use system selection because I want to check the mileage. So if I click onto that, and now you've got all these sub-menus in here that you can go in and check. You can use live data for these, but I am going to click on the powertrain control module because I know that's where the mileage is stored. So we'll click onto that. Then we will go down to read data stream, which is the live data. Click onto that, and we now have to scroll down to find the mileage of the car. You would think it would be stored under M, but you'd be wrong. They actually have put it under T for total vehicle distance in miles. So we click on this little box here, and then scroll down to the OK, click on OK, and we are now presented with the car's mileage. And this will be the correct mileage for the car, regardless of what your instrument cluster may read. This will be the correct mileage. You can record this and make a PDF document if you wanted to click on the record button down here, or send a report to someone. But I'm going to end this video here, so thanks for watching.